I bought it. New Kim Kardashian makeup. We have 3 products. She came out with an eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, and lip liners. Let's get into it. I'm excited to play, test it, review it, all the good stuff. I bought all of the 3 makeup products that she has available. I didn't purchase all the colors. A lot of the colors that I wanted were sold out, especially from the lip liners and the lipsticks, but there's only one eyeshadow palette, so I picked that up. What I really appreciate about her new makeup brand are the photos, like especially with Kim, like showcasing the lip liners, the eyeshadows, the lipsticks. It looks like a lot of the photos are not like touched up, like the pores are there, the texture is there. I like that. I'm sure they're touched up a little bit, but at least you can see that it's a real person like behind the photos. This one I believe retails for $50 US. You have 12 eyeshadows in here and they're all matte. I'm gonna add some tape because we're gonna go with a winged look today. Most of the shadows swatched really well, but I will say they're so softly packed that I'm gonna have to go with a very light hand and kind of work the eyeshadows into my brush because there's quite a bit of fallout. Right now I am priming my eyelid using my Dominique Cosmetics Everlasting Eye Base. I just take some on the back of my hand and then work it with a brush just all over my eye. I'm gonna start off first with this brown shade. Focus this right in the outer corner. Just gonna start stamping. I'm gonna start slowly kind of buffing it or sweeping it into the crease, outer crease, but still keeping it pretty close to the tape. And I'm gonna sit here for a little bit and just build up that pigment. I'm gonna mix this shade right here and then this one right here. So I'm gonna start blending this in. I'm gonna take the lightest shade. There's a lot of fallout. These are very softly packed. And just focus this kind of like on the inner corner to the center, just to brighten up my lid a little bit. It's doing something, but it's subtle. Yeah, these lighter shades are not my favorite. Okay, and I'm gonna take the black with a pointer eyeliner brush right in the outer corner. So satisfying. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the Gen C, their Cruise Liner Eye Pencil in Miami number 4, and I'm only going to place this in the center of my lower lash line, like that. We're gonna smoke it out. I'm gonna take Endless Cacao, go in the outer corner. I'm gonna go with this shadow right here that I use kind of like all over my lid and the crease. I'm gonna take that to the lower lash line. I'm gonna pop on some mascara. I'm actually going to layer. I'm gonna do the L'Oreal Bambi Eye in waterproof and then my L'Oreal, the Panorama mascara. So now let's move on to the second makeup product from Skin by Kim Kardashian. And this is the lip liner. And these each retail for $22 US. From her previous brand, KKW Beauty, my favorite products were her lip liners. So good. I still have them. Yes, I know they're super old. I have a lot of the ones because I use that shade a lot. So I'm hoping these are gonna be as good or even better. I picked up shade number Nude 5 and number Nude 8. Like I said, a lot of the shades were sold out, the ones that I wanted when I purchased these. Go with number 5 first. And this is like a traditional lip liner pencil where you have to sharpen. And then this is number 8. This is a little more brown. I actually want to swatch it and compare it to her first lip liner. Oh, these feel a lot creamier. So the lipstick retails for $32? I thought it was $22. Wow, $32 lipstick. This is a soft matte lip color. And I picked up shade number 2. So this is a full coverage soft matte. Looks a little more peachy. It does not have a scent. I do like the small bullet. Yeah, see, for my skin tone, this is a little too brown. All the lighter shades were sold out when I bought this. Let's take the soft matte lip color, the lipstick. I'm not vibing with it, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lip oil. Starting first with the Skin, the classic matte eyeshadow palette. I like some of the shades, but most of the shades I'm not a big fan of. A lot of them pull a little too yellow or too orange for my skin tone. I'm not gonna be using this over my Patrick Ta palettes or my Makeup by Mario palette. There's quite a bit of fallout, so you do have to be mindful of how you work with this. I will say they are buttery, and the deeper, the darker shades, they're very pigmented and they do blend out pretty nice. I have other eyeshadow palettes that I will use. This one's, I feel like it's gonna collect a lot of dust. Now moving on to the lip liners. It is a skip and it doesn't tug on the lips. So I do like that it has a little bit of resistance where I can really create that precise line. It's just the colors for me, I chose the wrong colors. I do like number 5, but I feel like it's still a little too warm for my skin tone. The lipstick is a big letdown. I don't like the formula. The formula is too dry. It just sits on top of my lips and exaggerates all the texture and the lines on my lips. Not a fan of this. All right, I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. We'll keep a lookout for the lips. Again, I am wearing a lip oil on top just because I don't like the lipstick. So I'm not going to reapply the lipstick, but I am, if I have to, I will reapply the lip liner. But these are supposed to be long wearing, long lasting. But let's go. I think I'm just gonna do, honestly, just this one update. I just had dinner and just want to show you what the lips look like. That lipstick is gone because I put the lip oil on top. But I'm going to reapply my lip liner, and the more it's on my face, the more I don't like it. It's this color, not liking it. I don't think it's very complimentary to my lip color and my skin tone. I think for deeper skin tones, this is gonna be a beautiful shade. Yeah, overall, I don't know. I was, swatching Jones Road Beauty, the lip liners, my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let me see what else I have in my makeup bag here. I also have my Too Faced in here. I just love my Jones Road Beauty lip liners. They have a wide variety of nude lip liners for every single skin tone. And this formula is so beautiful. I love the classic, the lip liner pencil where you have to sharpen it yourself. But just the formula is so smooth. The colors are very beautiful. Very comparable pricing with the Skin by Kim Kardashian or this pencil right here. This one, you have a lot more pencil, a lot more lip liner that comes in here. And there's so many shades, but this formula is incredible and it lasts all day long. I'm just trying to compare formulas that are in the similar price point, but if you're looking for strictly like nude lip liners, Jones Road Beauty, check these out. These are beautiful. Quick little mention, don't swatch these too hard or don't press them too hard on your lips because they will break. I swatched number 8. When I was swatching on the back of my hand, I didn't think I pressed too hard, but I pressed a little too hard, obviously, and it broke on the back of my hand. There's something missing from these lip liners. I think it's the creaminess of the formula, because lip liners, I wanted to have a little bit of resistance. That way I can create a precise shape, but I also wanted to feel buttery on the lips with my lip liners. And another thing I wanted to mention with the eyeshadows, I'm getting quite a bit of eyeshadow that's moving into my crease and on this side as well. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see the next one very soon.